STEPLEAD pop can filling machine is based on the introduction, digestion and absorption of foreign and advanced technology, according to the process requirements of China's beverage filling machine. According to the actual situation of domestic large and medium-sized cannery and beverage factory, it has developed an advanced level. The filling equipment is mainly used for the filling of sparkling beverages such as beer, soda, cola and sparkling wine. It has the characteristics of advanced structure, stable and reliable operation, safe operation, convenient maintenance, stepless speed regulation and high production efficiency. It is the ideal filling equipment for small and medium-sized beverage factories. STEPLEAD's pop can filling machine and capping machine production line is a device that can meet the high-speed filling and sealing of cans. The company is manufactured with international advanced technology and design experience. The filling and sealing cans are designed as a whole, and the filling of carbonated beverages is based on the principle of isostatic filling. The pop can filling machine has stable performance, and the specific automatic temperature control device has a processing capacity of 0.5 T12 per hour, and is an advanced production line of cans filling and sealing machine. The pop can filling machine adopts export-grade raw materials, and adopts ISO 9000, HACCP vertical bar, QS and production side management system operations to implement refined management to ensure that every link of the production process has safety guarantee. Since the cans are lightweight and easily deformed, they need to be handled gently during the conveying process. The conveying system controls the speed of the cans by interlocking the single machine running conditions on the production line, so that they do not squeeze each other and cause deformation of the cans. The pop can filling machine adopts the pneumatic control automatic lower cover without the contact of the can body. With the equal liquid surface filling technology, the production capacity is frequency conversion speed regulation, and more than 95% of the appearance materials are stainless steel, which ensures the beauty and hygiene requirements of the whole machine. In order to increase the vacuum inside the tank, the steam injection device can be configured according to customer requirements. The pop can filling machine is quick and sensitive to fill, and the filling liquid level has high precision. The filling valve port of the can filling machine is combined with a guiding device and a bottle lifting device to ensure the accurate sealing of the bottle mouth and the filling valve, thereby reducing the leakage of materials from the tank mouth. According to the height of the tank, the can filling machine can realize manual lifting to meet the filling requirements. The pop can filling machine adopts gear transmission, which has high efficiency, low noise, long service life, convenient maintenance and sufficient lubrication. The inverter is used to control the main motor speed of the machine. The filling machine adopts stepless frequency conversion speed regulation. The canning system of the pop can filling machine has a simple structure and can be quickly and conveniently changed according to the tank type. The whole machine is transported by the bottom structure of the can. The automatic filling machine of the can filling machine is automatically controlled by the PLC, and the fault is displayed online, such as blocking the bottle and missing the cover. The pop can filling machine has the safety protection functions of no tank, no valve, no cover, and no cover. The material in the filling tank is automatically controlled, and the liquid level is detected by the liquid level sensor to ensure the liquid level is stable and the filling is reliable. The capping part of the capping machine seals the lid to the jar which has been filled with the product, and is sent to the subsequent process by the conveyor chain. The sealing machine sealing roller is made of high-hardness alloy just quenching, HRC62, and the sealing curve is processed by optical curve grinding to ensure the quality of the sealing and ensure the normal operation of the machine. The capping machine has a can bottom cover, no canister and no cap control system to ensure the normal operation of the machine and reduce the cover loss rate. The aluminum cover is manually placed in the chute by the cover gravity and the thruster for the lower cover, and the detection switch is installed in the chute to ensure that the cover can be stopped when the cover is missing. According to the tank type of different heights, the capping machine can be manually raised and lowered to meet the requirements.